And new information tonight, a 52-year-old Warren woman was killed in a collision that impacted the eastbound side of the Mass Pike in Palmer for most of today. According to State Police Media Relations, the woman was ejected from her SUV after it hit a guardrail and collided with a tractor trailer. The big rig jackknifed and the car ended up on its roof, blocking the eastbound side of the Pike in Palmer near the Calkins Road overpass. Eastbound traffic was squeezed down to the breakdown lane for about 6.5 hours until the accident site was cleared around 8 o'clock tonight. Police are withholding the victim's identity.